Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs, certified pre-owned, and low miles, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2016 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, moonroof, home link garage door opener, power steering, aluminum wheels. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.